finishing installing all of the cabinets at my friend's beach house. And here's the design of what the finished kitchen is going to look like. Just to remind you, this is what it looked like when I first got in here. So yesterday I was able to finish this entire side over here, so today I'm finishing up this last wall. And this is my first time using these poles I got off of Amazon, and oh my gosh, it makes installing them so much easier when you're doing it by yourself. And once I got the cabinet to the correct height, then I just used my cabinet clamps to attach it to that cabinet next to it and make sure that the face frames of those were perfectly flush. With those poles and those cabinet clamps, you can pretty much install cabinets all by yourself. So that area there is where the refrigerator is going, so then I installed a cabinet panel right to the right of it to kind of box it in. To take advantage of the height of this ceiling, we went ahead and went with 36-inch upper cabinets and then a 15-inch stacker cabinet right above it. And I found that it was much easier attaching the cabinets together, making sure that they were perfectly in line, flush and plumb, and then hanging it on the wall. And for this size cabinet here, I probably could have gotten away with just one pole. But you can see how those cabinet clamps just kind of pull everything together and make it nice and flush. And I like to do all of that first before I do the last step, which is attaching it to the wall. Then I finished it off by installing all of the doors. Now in that area there, I'm going to be installing a range hood, so I have to also install some electrical. Then I installed that last bottom cabinet, and now this wall is done. So here's what it looks like currently with all of the perimeter cabinets up. I still have to add some molding to finish it off in certain areas, but tomorrow I'll be able to work on the island.